Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Friends, today I'm going to make a video how book reading is important to improve your English. I am going to consider five factors that is really very important for improve your English by through book reading. So let's start it. The first factor I'm going to consider is that improve speaking skills. Book reading also really very helpful to improve speaking skills because when you are reading books, when you trying to read books sooner and slowly your speaking skills also improve. That is really very helpful to improve your English speaking when you are going with somewhere with someone so you really felt good because you have a good speaking skills habit that is really helpful. So that's why book reading also helpful to improve your speaking skills. Now I'm going to tell you the second factor. The second factor is find new words. When you are trying to read book, you find so many new words that also enhance your vocabulary knowledge. So many times you have a very new words came to your mind when you are reading books. So you just need to pick those words and also search through dictionary, and you need to try to read these words and also try to make sentence with this word. So book reading also helpful to find new words. Now I'm going to tell you the third factor that also create just because of book reading is habit to understand long sentences. When you are trying to read book, when you have a good habit of reading books, you can see the change in you. You can see that you can understand the long sentences that really very tough in those time when you are not in a habit to read books. So book reading also helpful for you to understanding the long sentences that is sometimes really hard and sometimes really easy. So book when you are reading books, when you are reading so many books, you make yourself little change to understand long sentence. That is really very important. So this is the only happen just because of reading books. That's why I am always recommending reading books, and you can see that in my some videos I also try to review a book. That is the reason why I am choosing to review a book, because book reading also improve my communication skills. Book reading also improve my speaking skills. So now I'm going to tell you the fourth factor, maintain reading habits. When you are trying to read books, when you are trying to read so many books, you can see that you have a good reading habits. Reading habits also helpful when you want to talk with someone in English. So reading habit also try if you are in some place you need to read a speech. So the creating a reading habits in you just because of book reading, you can easily give a speech by someone giving you articles or something else. That also improve your communication skills. That also maintain your reading habits. Now I'm going to tell you the last factor that I am feeling that it's really important, improve communication skills. Book reading also helpful to improve your communication skills, because book reading, when you are trying to read books, you can see that so many changes in you in terms of try to speak those words that you never say before, because just because of reading also helpful to improve your communication skills, improve your speaking skills, and also improve your vocabulary knowledge. When you have a good vocabulary knowledge, when you have a good reading habit, when you have a good speaking habit, you feel that you have a good communication skills and you have a trust on yourself. You can build a trust on yourself. That reading also improve your communication skills. That's why I'm always consider book reading is a good way to improve your English speaking, improve your communication skill. So I always recommend everyone, if you like to read book, just try to read books. It it is okay if you are not a avid reader. You just need to try to little chapters, slowly you can going to be a good reader, and also that help you to improve your English speaking. That's all for today's video. I hope you like my content. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon with all. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.